Hey guys, today I have another video and I'm going to be talking about what's in my tackle box. So we've got finesse jigs right there, and green pumpkin or bluegill pattern, black and blue, football jig, black and blue, and green pumpkin works for any clear water or any water football head jig. And these Flambu boxes are amazing, real durable. And this box I have right here is a Plano 3400 series. It's a waterproof stowaway. Works real good. I've dropped it in water a couple of times. It's waterproof, real good. None of my baits got, none of my hooks on my jigs got rusted. And right here I've got a Strike King. I believe this is a shimmy stick, green pumpkin. I have another shimmy stick, smoky shad. And if you don't have these in your tackle box, then you're crazy. You gotta get some Gary Yamamoto custom baits. Yeah, I know they may be a little bit expensive, but they're worth the money. They're a really heavy salt. Makes all the fish want to come and eat them. Got a curly tail worm by Strike King, and I love Strike King, by the way. And I've got a Livingston and bluegill and money gill pattern. Got a Strike King. This is a 1/2 ounce spinnerbait in white. And I've got a Strike King Strike King paddle tail worm. Works real good. We've got some big bite bait Senkos, Strike King Senkos, and big bite bait Senkos were in kiwi. They're trick stick.